Today I'm just north of Charlotte in Davidson, North Carolina at Adair Woods. Now this community is very popular as it sits in the highly sought after Cabarrus County school system, which includes Odell Elementary. Now, unlike other new home communities in this same school district, there's no lottery or waiting list here. It's first come, first served. D.R. Horton offers 5 two-story floor plans. Now, homes have anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms and range in size from 2,175 to around 3,100 square feet. Prices range through the 500s. Now, you could top out in the 600s if you select a home with a finished basement. Finishes include Hardie siding with brick or stone accents, 9-foot first-floor ceilings, granite or quartz countertops, gas furnaces, and termite prevention systems. Amenities include a pool, cabana, and playground. Here's their on-site model. It's called the Winston. Now it has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's 2,565 square feet, and the kicker is it has 2 primary suites and a huge loft. Prices start in the 540s. So let's see what you get for your money. Check out the map and check out some sample driving times. From Adair Woods into uptown Charlotte, down to the south, it's about a 30-minute commute. Over to the west, you're going to find lots of shopping in Birkdale Village. Boat launch here on Lake Norman, this is about a 20-minute ride. Off to the west, Charlotte Motor Speedway, about 20 minutes off to the south. You NASCAR fans, it's a great spot, not far away. In this corridor from the Lake Norman area, out 73 over into Concord, there is plenty of shopping along it, and you do have grocery store opportunities about 10 minutes away from Adair Woods. And in terms of the school systems, as mentioned at the top of this video, they're highly regarded, including right here, 8 minutes away is W.R. Odell Elementary. Check it out for yourselves. Go to greatschools.org. So what do you think of Adair Woods? If you found this information helpful, then leave me a comment and like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next new construction tour. I'm always here to help you with your real estate needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.